Let's unbox this Instant Pot. It's a 13-in-1 multi-cooker. It comes with your manual and cooking guide. It's securely packed. This little device is jam-packed with all the options: air fry, saute, steam. Today I'm going to be pressure cooking. And to open the lid, you push the knob to the right. It has a secure lock, so you squeeze it a little bit more to open. This is your cooking basket, and this is your pot. And it has warning and other papers. Make sure you take those out. To reveal your heating element, you push this red button and the inner lid will fall right out. Just make sure you take all the labels off and clean your pieces properly before you start cooking. It's easy to replace, just snap it right in. So now it's time for the test. I'll be testing the beef neck bones because that's hard to cook, and I also have some pig's tail in there. So let's see how that works. We have 3 settings to release the steam, so I'm going to be using the quick release. So I'll start it for 15 minutes and I'll see what happens. It's preheating. It took 14 minutes for it to preheat. Alright, so we're gonna let it cook for the 15 minutes and I'll be back at the countdown. I'm not sure, it's not really counting down. Oh, it just went from 1 minute to still saying do not open, so I'm waiting for that steam to go away. And I heard a click, so maybe that's, there we go. Okay to open lid. Remember, we have to push over a little bit to open it. Ooh. It's saying close the lid. Cancel? Okay. Let's see what 15 minutes did. Not much. Actually, yeah, the pigtails are done. Since I know how this works, what I can get for 15 minutes, I'm gonna take out my pigtail and I'm gonna add some red peas in here. This is the max. It's at half, so I'm sure it's gonna take a good time to preheat again. So the beef neck bone took a total of 30 minutes to cook, and I could have gone with cooking the peas for 12 minutes. This video was shot a month ago, and since then I've been using my pot quite a bit. It's just a great compact unit. I don't always have to turn on my stove to get a meal, and I love that. It doesn't take up much space on my countertop, and my favorite food is wings, and it fried wings and it fried it well. The basket can hold up to 7 pieces of wings and they always taste great.